What is illusion box part crochet? Illusion box part crochet is supposed to mimic what box part single braids look like. How is it created? Illusion box part is created in the foundation. Instead of doing single straight back braids, it is parted into boxes going back on along the cornrow, so that when you look at it from a distance, you can see the boxes in the foundation, yet it's still a cornrow. And you crochet the hair in. So if you see the boxes here, this is how you get the illusion of box part individual braids.